Part 39. It lost control completely. The collapse didn't stop, it accelerated. The delays we had forced turned into full breaks in control. The space no longer responded in sequence. Sections reacted out of order, or not at all. The system wasn't managing conflict anymore. It was failing to respond. The ground under us shifted without pattern. One step held solid, the next dropped slightly, then corrected too late. The space tightened in one direction, while opening in another. No consistency, no alignment. That was full loss of control. We kept forcing pressure across as many points as we could. Not coordinated, not structured, just continuous input that it couldn't resolve. Contact, separation, movement, stillness, all at once. It couldn't keep up. The center structure showed it clearly now. Its surface no longer held a unified state. Different sections reacted independently, not in sync, not controlled. That was the first time it looked like it was breaking instead of managing. I moved forward into a section where the space had stopped reacting entirely. No resistance, no pressure. I forced contact again. No immediate response. That had never happened before. The reaction came late and incomplete. The space tightened halfway, then dropped the adjustment entirely. It couldn't finish the action. That confirmed it. The system wasn't just under pressure, it was overloaded. The cost continued. Another man dropped when a section snapped back into control for a brief moment, then failed again. Then another when the ground gave way under him, before correcting too late. We didn't stop. We couldn't. Every second we held the pressure pushed it further into failure. I keyed the mic and pushed the update. Full breakdown. It can't maintain control. Keep pressure on all points. Don't let it recover. The signal came back broken, but confirmed the same across sectors. That meant this wasn't a local collapse. This was system-wide. The space around us opened in sections long enough to move without restriction. Not stable, not safe, but open. That had never happened before. We moved through those openings, not to escape, but to spread the failure further. Every new point of pressure added to the overload. The structure reacted, but not in any controlled way. Delayed responses, partial adjustments, no consistency. It had lost control completely. I checked what I had left. Nothing at range. Everything we had was already in use. Didn't matter. We weren't fighting for position anymore. We were forcing total failure. I looked at the structure again. Still standing, still active, but no longer controlling anything around it. We kept the pressure on, because if it recovered even partially, everything we had done would be reversed. But right now, it wasn't recovering. It was collapsing.